Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're looking at the Edifier MS50A wireless speaker. This comes complete with Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, access and connectability to Apple AirPlay, Spotify, and the Amazon voice assistant technology. Here's some details here, upper left corner here, of what the speaker has to offer. You can play and pause anytime at this spot to check out the details. Of course, this will be in the description below for the device itself. And now we'll get to the device right there. You can pair two of these together for stereo sound. And like I said earlier, it's all wireless. It comes with a companion app, and that's why we have the iPhone right here. You can load the companion app on your iPhone or Android device. And you only have one power cord and one cord total coming out of the back. So that's just for power. Here's your power button right here. And the setup starts with the app, and you have your play button, back, forward, and menu options. And you can do all of the setup with the companion app with the speaker. And like I said earlier, you can put two of them together for stereo control. You can have multi-room grouping. It's compatible with the Amazon and Apple AirPlay technologies. It's compatible with the Amazon, Apple AirPlay, and Spotify modes, like I mentioned earlier. And it has 40 watts RMS power rating. So that's quite a lot of sound out of this little speaker, and I recommend getting two. So the back part of it's pretty nice. It's wood back here, and it's just one cable for power. And you have your touch controls right on top. Just like that.